Today is International Day of Peace. The UN General Assembly has declared this as a day of peace. They're observing 24 hours of non-violence and ceasefire. That means no fighting.
We should try to spread peace wherever we are. Arguments, fighting, war, these all lead to destruction and cause a lot of heartache for many. Muslims should try to conduct themselves in a peaceful manner and not do anything to disturb the peace. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught his followers how to be peaceful in everyday life, from not breaking laws of the country all the way down to little things such as speaking softly and using polite words. And all these things Muslims should try to practice as part of their faith. After all, the word Islam means peace, obedience and submission to the will of Allah.
Peace does not only mean no war, it is so much more than that. For example, spreading peace could be about promoting education to break down stereotypes and barriers, or building peaceful societies by making sure everyone had food, clothes and shelter. You see, all these things lead to peace too, because when everyone is looked after, then there is less crime and that means more peace.
The Muslim greeting, Assalamu alaikum, means peace be with you, and in return the other person says, Wa alaikum salam, and peace be on you too. So, Muslims are wishing peace to everyone they meet. Happy Day of Peace! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.